Have you ever seen something like 3x plus 2 in math and wondered what is this exactly? In this video, we will learn what an algebraic expression is and how to break it down into its important parts. Now, what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, variables, that is letters, and mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. 3x plus 2 is an example. 5y minus 7 is another example. Another example is a plus b plus 3. They all show letters, numbers, and mathematical operations. So they are all algebraic expressions. Now let's talk about terms in an algebraic expression. Each part separated by plus or minus is called a term. For example, in 3x plus 2, 3x is a term, 2 is another term. So this is a term, this is another term. Now in 4a plus 3b minus 5, how many terms do we have here? Don't forget, each part separated by plus or minus is called a term. So that means in this expression, we are having three terms. The first one is 4a, the second one is 3b, and the third one is 5. Now let's talk about coefficients. A coefficient is the number multiplying the variable. Don't forget that we said the variables are letters. So any number that is multiplying the variable is a coefficient. For example, in 3x, x is the variable here because it is the no, it is the letter. This is the variable, this is the variable, and the number that is multiplying it is the coefficient. So in 3x, we say 3 coefficients, sorry. So in 3x, we say 3 is the coefficient of x. Now, if we have 4a, what is the coefficient of a? 4 is the coefficient, while a is the variable. Now, let's talk about the constants. Constants are numbers that stand alone. They are not attached to any variable. For example, in 3x plus 2, 2 is the constant because it is not attached to any variable. It is standing alone. So now, another example, if we have 4a plus 3b minus 5, what is the constant here? Negative 5 is the constant because it is not attached to any variable. Now let's do a quick recap before we move on. We've talked about the algebraic expression. It is a combination of numbers, variables, and mathematical operations. And we say terms are separated by an operation. It is separated by either plus or minus. So 3x is a term here, 2 is also another term. And coefficients are the numbers that are multiplied to the variable. So any number that is multiplied to the variable, that is the letter, is a coefficient. And constants are the numbers that stand alone. They are not attached to any variable. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also, share with your friends who might be needing this because there are more videos like this that will be coming up on this channel. Now, let's look at a bigger example. Let's say we have this expression 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 7. Can you identify the terms, the coefficients, the variables? Okay, these are the terms. How many terms does it have? This expression has 4 terms. It has 4 terms and they are 2x, they are 2x minus 3y, 4z, and then negative 7. Those are the terms. And what are the coefficients. How many coefficients are in this expression? How many coefficients do we have in this expression? We have three coefficients and they are 2, -3 and 4. Don't forget that coefficients are the numbers that are attached to the variables. Now, what are the variables that we have in this expression? How many variables do we have? We have three variables and they are x, y and z. Now lastly, what is the constant? How many constants do we have in this expression? We have just one constant because it is just one term that has no variable, and that is -7. So -7 is the only constant in this expression. Now take a look at this and list out all the and identify all the parts in this expression. 5a minus 2b plus 3c plus 8. Identify the terms, the coefficients, the variables and the constants and leave it in the comment section. So in conclusion, expressions are numbers plus variables plus operations. When you see numbers, variables and operations together, they are called expressions, and terms are each separate part. Coefficients are the numbers that are in front of the variables, and constants are the numbers that stand alone. Once you can identify this, then you are ready to simplify expressions, which we will cover in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and put on the notification bell so you will not miss out.